Ever wondered why birds often fly in a V formation? This aerial strategy is not just visually stunning, it's a brilliant display of aerodynamics and energy efficiency. At the heart of this formation is reduced air resistance. Each bird except the leader flies slightly above and behind the one in front, catching the uplifting breeze from the preceding bird's wings. This upwash provides lift and reduces the bird's effort to stay aloft. Moreover, the V formation enhances aerodynamic efficiency. It allows birds to glide in the upwash zones created by the wingtips of their companions, conserving energy and enabling the flock to travel farther without tiring. But it's not all about physics. This formation also optimizes communication and coordination. Positioned strategically, each bird can see the others, facilitating seamless visual signals and quick responses to any changes in the environment. And then there's the social aspect. Flying in a V strengthens bonds within the flock, reinforcing social hierarchies and sharing crucial information about food and threats. In essence, the V formation is a masterclass in teamwork, each bird taking turns to lead, ensuring survival and success across the skies.